A relation between electrostatic potential and electric field intensity. This relation is very, very important relation in this chapter as well as for numericals part. Consider a charge Q is placed, a positive charge Q is placed at O. Now assume that 2 points A and B. A is the point which was located at a distance of R. And B is the point which was located at a distance of R minus dr. Therefore, the separation is dr. And potential at A is V and potential at B is V plus dV. Whenever the point is closer, the potential is more. Whenever the point is far away, the potential is weaker. That's why as you're coming closer, the strength of the electric potential will increase. That's why at point A, potential is how much? V, and point B, the potential is V plus dV. Now, what is the direction of electric field intensity at this region? Electric field intensity here due to positive charge is always away. Then, by definition of potential difference, VB minus VA is equal to work done to move the charge from A to B by charge, unit charge. That is V plus dV minus V is equal to work done to move the charge from A to B divided by. That is dV equal to work done to move the charge from A to B divided by Q naught. Equation 1. Now, how to find the work done to move from A to B? Work done to move from A to B means F bar dot dr. Here, displacement is towards the charge and electric field is away. Both are opposite. That's why you can write minus F into dr. Angle between them is 180 degrees. Then we can write it as minus Q naught into electric field at this instant is E bar, magnitude of E bar into D. Then dV is equal to minus Q naught into E into dr divided by Q naught. Q naught gets cancelled. Therefore, dV is equal to minus E dr. Therefore, electric potential between 2 points when we're calculating, we need to take integrations. Integral of dV equal to minus integral of E dr. That is VA minus VB or VB minus VA between any 2 points is equal to minus integral of A to B E bar dot dr bar is relation. In vector notation, we can write like this. In scalar form, we can write, suppose it's the distance between them 2 points is D, then V equal to E times of D. D is the separation between 2 points and E is the electric field between the 2 points. In case of uniform electric field, and potential difference between the 2 points is V equal to ED. Concept is conservative nature of electric field. Already I told you the electric field is a conservative force. How to prove it? How to prove electric field is a conservative force? That means what is the definition of conservative force? The work done by force in a closed loop is zero. Such force is known as conservative force. The work done by the force in a closed path is zero. Such force is known as conservative force. That means we need to prove here work done in moving the charge from 1 to 2 and later from 2 to 1 should be equal to 0. That means the total work done in moving from 1 to 2 plus 2 to 1 is 0. Then we can say that the field is conservative. Then consider we have considered 2 points which are going. Therefore, work done to move from 1 to 2, we can write it as minus Q naught into integral of E bar dot dl. E bar dot dl. That will be equal to, by definition of potential difference, we can write it as here V2 minus V1 equal to work done to move from 1 to 2 divided by charge. That will be equal to minus integral of E bar dot dl bar 1 to 2. Similarly, we can write V1 minus V2 is equal to minus integral of 2 to 1 E bar dot dl bar. Then by adding these two, what will give? 0. By adding these two, it gives 0. That means V1 minus V2 plus V2 minus V1 equal to 0. That's why work done to move from 1 to 2 by charge plus work done to move from 2 to 1 charge equal to V2 minus V1 plus V1 minus V2, which will be equal to 0. Therefore, net work done is 0 in a closed path. Then we can say that closed integral of E bar dot dl bar is how much? 0. This indicates that electric field in a closed path is 0. Therefore, electric field is a conservative force.